appears the time to start recording from the time the power is turned on is about 10 seconds. I don't know how it is when the G sensor is set, whether it's quicker or not, but from the camera in power off mode, the time to get a picture and starts recording is about 10 seconds, which is on par with my other camera is about 8, so a couple seconds longer.
So that was the recording made with the microphone on the TOGUARD CE50. As you can hear, the sound quality is about par. Memory, the sky was actually more of the color that it is on the Sony. It wasn't a blue sky. It was almost getting an orange glow to it because there was some high cloud. But both of them have an excellent picture. The Sony's bringing a little more detail in the shadows. And this shot's just going to compare it again to my 6-year-old 1080 camera, which is now on the right. As you can see, much clearer than the old dash camera at night. Let's look at some bright sun pictures now.